and welcome to A Piece of Pie. I'm Candy Pie, and today we're going to learn how to do this 90s look. So if you want to learn, stay tuned for my tutorial. So today I'm going to use Onyx hair. So I'll give you the color of this hair in the description box. Alright, so first we're going to do 2 ponytails. I do want to leave some hair out in the front. Take 2 pieces from here. Blow dry the glue down. This is kind of cute with the part right there. I like that, actually. That wasn't the plan. But I like how it is parted on the side. Now, next, let's put on the hair. TLC was my inspiration for this look. Chili always wore her signature 2 ponytails and representing her Cherokee Indian heritage. Shout out to the Cherokee Indians. I got Indian in my blood. So we cousins. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. Okay, so now that I have my ponytails wrapped, now we're going to start flipping the hair. So do it in layers so that it can have like a little feather layered look. And there are heat protected sprays out there. I use the Tresemme, so there are ways you can protect your hair from the heat. So here are the ponytails, and all I have to do is the front pieces. You can either flip these, or you can curl them under. And this is pretty much the finished product, but let's do some baby hair. I love my baby hair. I'm never gonna not have baby hair, I'm sure. I'm gonna be 90 years old with baby hair. Alright, so baby hair is done. Hold the spray. And we're done. Okay, so for this next look, we're going to do pin curls in a ponytail and a swoop in the front. I'm gonna give some Bats vibes with this look here. So we're gonna take the hair that we used for the 2 ponytails and we are going to now wrap this around this ponytail. So I'm just gonna wrap this around off camera and I'll be right back. So I got one of the tracks wrapped around the ponytail and now I'm gonna do this track here, and what I want you to do is I want you to have this track going to the front, clip it here, also pin it. so that when you do the swoop, you didn't have to actually glue it in. So we're gonna continue to wrap the other pieces around. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna curl the ponytail. Bats, that's one of my favorite movies ever. If you haven't seen it, you need to see it. I love Bats. I can quote the whole movie. Don't you hate it when you watch a movie with somebody and they know the movie so well that they say every line? Like they quote every line in the movie when you're watching it. Like, can you shut up and let me enjoy this movie? That's me, y'all. Okay, so I'm finished curling my ponytail. Now let's start pinning the curls. And now we're gonna work on the bang part. Make a tight curl. Over here. So you take this out and just pin curl it to the side of the hair. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This will conclude my look, and I hope that you will come back for another piece of pie. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Take care. Bye. I do want to say something. The world is, is definitely in a different state right now. I just want to tell everybody to keep your head up. I want to tell everybody to stay positive, remain positive, be positive, and focus and think on the things good, the things that are positive, the things that are light and lovely. I just want to inspire you all to be happy and to have joy. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Also, I want to encourage you all to whatever it is that your heart desires, or if it's a dream, or if it's something that you've always wanted to do, whether it's starting a YouTube channel, whether it's starting your own business, starting your own hairline, clothing line, you want to write a book, or whatever it is that you aspire to be or aspire to do, I just want to encourage you to go ahead and step out on faith and to do it. Don't wait. Tomorrow's not promised. And what do you have to lose?